First, we're going to chop up the lettuce. Don't forget to wash it. You don't want to catch E. coli. Nasty ass. Now you're going to grab a handful of fucking cherry tomatoes and slice them in halves. Don't forget to pre-salt them bitches. Now you're gonna grab a grater and a big ass carrot, clean it up, cut the butt, and start grating the shit out of it. After you have a decent portion of carrots, toss that shit in a bowl. Cut a small sliver of red cabbage. Dice it up into smaller pieces. You don't want that shit overpowering your salad. Last, you're going to grab your straight neck squash and your vegetable slicer, and you're just going to go Benihana on that shit. And don't forget to salt them bitches too. And just how some of you guys do every night, toss your salad thoroughly. Now you can plate that shit. And for the salad dressing, just do whatever the fuck you want. And oh yeah, don't forget the fucking Wonton chips. Fucking put too many. Let me take some out. And there you have it, a squash wonton salad, because it won't hurt you to eat a fucking salad once in a while. God knows you need it.